Okay, we're starting on the second bench. So this one's much different. This does not have the sides. So the seat will actually overlap. And I don't know if I'm going to go 2 inches or 4 inches. That's the two numbers I'm kind of thinking of. And then it's got this bottom piece too. And then you have 2 boards that can go across the top. You can't do it one because you have this angle right here. It's really windy out today, by the way. We're kind of protected back in here, so it's not too bad. Okay, so I cut, these are ready for the seat. Because it's curved right here, I thought we should do one, and then another one, and then this is pretty flat, so we're going to do one full one up here. And then I got the others cut. One will be for the bottom and then 2 for the back. So our other chair is still looking great, the one from yesterday. Okay, this work area is working out really nice. I decided I do want to build this up and have a countertop here. It'll be nice for the work area and for entertaining, for any backyard barbecues or anything. So, but really this roof is what does it, you know. Last year we did all this. It really makes a huge difference to this house, just having this whole deck protected. And yeah, we haven't forgot, we're moving the stairs yet, but benches right now are priority. Okay, we're going to start putting them together. Oh, and by the way, what I'm putting them together with, originally they had bolts in them. Well, I didn't want to do that. So we're using these, basically we're using our roofing nails. Because, first of all, they're made for outdoors. Secondly, they have the nice washer on them. Because the holes are a little bit big, but these things are just right for this. So that's what we put that whole bench together with, and it's worked out really well. And same thing for these. Okay, let's turn this in.